Hi, my name is Fiona. I'm actually working in the finance industry. I like to cook in my free time because I like to cook things that are nutritious and healthy for my children and the family. When I first heard about Thermomix, I think I fell in love with it immediately because it was really a very convenient equipment. It can cook a lot of things from it. I remember when my husband had to go out for an appointment and we basically didn't assemble the Thermomix properly from the previous night. So my second son had to learn how to assemble the Thermomix. So I was in office then. So through the security camera in the house, I gave him actually instructions on how to assemble the equipment. Yeah, so from there he actually made his first recipe, the cauliflower cheese. I will recommend Thermomix to families with young children because I feel that this equipment is very safe. It does not require you to turn on any gas. And in fact, if let's say the covers are not put properly, it will not actually function. That in itself is actually a very safe feature for children to handle. If I had to describe Thermomix in one word, I think that would be fabulous.